How to fix Windows Update error 0x80244011. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Fix 1. Enable or restart relevant services. Updating your system requires certain Windows services. If these are turned off, you can run into problems. The Windows Update Troubleshooter can automatically identify and resolve common problems that may be impeding the proper installation of updates. If that didn't work, resetting Windows Update components entails restarting the bits, cryptographic, MSI installer, and Windows Update services. This can alleviate problems by emptying the update cache and restarting update services from scratch. Now right-click on that file and click on Run as Administration. Type Y and press Enter. Now restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed.